Hey, 7th graders, we're going to do something a little bit different for science today. So what's going to happen is this is a page out of the textbook. So we're going to read through it, and then you're going to do kind of like a short research project as your assignment. So it's called Struggling to Survive. Bear with me because this is the best way for me to do this for you. So it says, an old problem has resurfaced in Arizona and New Mexico. The Navajo homeland in this region rests on one of the richest uranium reserves in the United States. Uranium mining in this area first began in the 1950s and stopped in the 1970s. When the mining companies left, many of them did not remove radioactive waste or seal the mine tunnels. This has greatly affected the health of the Navajo people who live and work near the old mines. Years later, mining companies have come back to the Navajo homeland and the area around it. This time, they want to use solution mining, which uses water to flush out the uranium ore. This method is less dangerous than underground mining, but it can still contaminate the groundwater. And because the area is mostly desert, mining could use up scarce water. Uranium is used for fuel, in nuclear reactors that generate electricity. These reactors do not add carbon to the atmosphere, so some people think we should use them instead of coal-fired power plants to meet our electricity needs. The Navajo who live in an area with both coal and uranium must try to make decisions that will be good for their community, both in the present and in the future. Here's a little map so you can see the Navajo Nation area. I forget what the AUM stands for. I'm not sure what the AUM stands for, sorry. Oh, abandoned uranium mines. That's why I didn't know. So we have eastern, southern, western, north central, central, and northern. So here's New Mexico. You can kind of see that faint outline. Here is Arizona. Okay. So there's that. So this is what you're going to be doing, and we'll go a little bit more over it. But so you're not working in a group, you're working by yourself. So you're going to research 4 things. First, the uses of uranium, then the environmental impact of uranium mining, then the effect mining has had on the Navajo people's health, and fourth, the effect mining has had on Navajo communities, environment, and people. You're not going to write a paper, you're rather going to just answer Edmodo questions. So a short answer. So here's lays it out a little easier for you. So you're going to research those 4 things. I will include that on the Edmodo questions. There'll be a spot for each, for you to answer each one. And I will list some of these 4 resources. So you're definitely welcome to use more. I'll attach this so that you can use this if there's information there for you. Otherwise, I'm looking for you to just respond with 2 to 3 sentences for each one. So it's a total of at least 8 sentences, at most 12 sentences. So really not a whole lot. But so basically it'll just be first question, what are the uses of uranium? And you type your sentences. Each one is worth 2 points, so you can get up to 8 points total. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just something a little different. Hopefully it's fun for you and kind of interesting because it's in the area that we are in. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, like I said, the 4 questions will be in the Edmodo questions. And I will also list them in the post as well as the resources and the picture. So once again, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day and have fun researching.